A funny question that I always see or I read from people or see in the comment section below is, does vision board really work? Well, I've written down 3 points that I'm going to share with you, and it's going to answer this question of, does vision board really work? Point number 1 is, vision board really works if you do it right. If you're creating a vision board that's cluttered, it's chaotic, and you dump a lot of photos on your vision board, it's not going to help you manifest anything that you want. It's not going to help you achieve your goals, because it's not specific, it's not very intentional, it's not very clear on what exactly do you want. If I take a look at your vision board, will I be able to tell you exactly what you want by taking a look at, by seeing the pictures that you have on your vision board, or the quotes that you have, or anything that you want to achieve? Will I be able to do that? If your answer is no, I want you to simplify it. Simplifying actually helps you a lot. So make sure to have a clutter-free vision board. Vision boards will work if you actually do it right. And the second point that I have for you is that the most common mistake that I've seen people do is they have the idea of creating a vision board, but they actually do not complete creating a vision board. And what that results is, they cannot picturize the things that they want to have or achieve in their dream life, and because of that they put it off. Putting off your goals and dreams is not going to help you in any way. You're just going to remain there this year from now, even 5 years from now, maybe 10 years from now, while you see other people creating vision boards and actually putting the things that they want to achieve or manifest into their life, and they actually once they set it up, complete it, they let it go, and they allow the universe to take, or God to help them manifest those things into their life. So the thing that I wanted to tell you is, make sure to complete your vision board. The common mistake most people do is, they think of creating a vision board, they start it, and because they keep looking for pictures and they don't find what exactly they want to add into the vision board, so they are left out with not having a vision board that can complete, and they can finally download it and save it, so that they can take a look at it every single day. And adding the right pictures actually helps you. It creates an emotion within you, and it helps you manifest them intentionally. So do not do that mistake of not completing a vision board. And the third point that I have for you is another big mistake, which is, people create a vision board, but they do not have the faith or the belief that it will manifest. Okay, that is a big problem that I see when people try to create a vision board. So this is another big mistake, trying to create a vision board by finding out things that you want, and you'll go look for images, pictures, quotes, saying anything that you want to achieve into your life. But it's going to be really basic if you just find pictures using free websites, or Google search images, or from Instagram, or from Pinterest, wherever you can find pictures that you want. But by just downloading them and adding them and dumping to your vision board, it's not going to work. So having a vision board that is clutter free is going to help you create a vision board that actually works. By having a vision board that is clear, specific, intentional, and it is actually results driven, like things that you want to manifest, having them, because when you take a look at a picture, you will say, yeah, this is exactly what I want into my life. Or if you take a look at another picture that is a variant of the thing that you're searching for, if it doesn't resonate with you, you'll probably drop it. So pick out pictures that actually have certain intention for you and save them separately. So make sure to include pictures that covers your health, wealth, relationships. These are must to have. And you can also branch out into other areas like lifestyle and relationships and experiences and all. So have a vision board actually works if you do it right. I've covered how to create a vision board for a really affordable price for you. It's inside my vision board mini course. You will find it on the links in the description below. Go and search for it. So you will be able to inside that I'll teach you how to create a vision board that covers 5 different areas of your life. I will not tell what it is. You go take a look, and it's really affordable. It will help you create a life that is beyond ordinary, and it will help you achieve a life that other people can even question and wonder, how did you actually achieve that? How was it possible? I thought it was impossible to achieve it. How did you do it? I've covered the science behind it and the process and the structure and so many other things that will actually help you. And I've even included 7 modules and 5 different bonuses. And if you are the first 500 people to sign up, I'll be able to feature your completed vision board on the page where other people who come into the vision board course in the future will be able to see your vision board, and they'll be able to maybe connect with you, reach out to you, and build do whatnot. You can get to know them. And once you see people achieving results by having vision board, you will be like, why didn't I create a vision board when I had the chance, when he was telling me? So make sure to include a vision board that actually depicts your goals, dreams, desire, wants and needs. So let me recap what I exactly need that I've chosen for this video. Does vision board actually work? Yes, it does if you do it right. Follow my course. It's a mini course. It's really affordable. Go check it out. It's going to help you create a vision board that speaks to your purpose and helps you manifest the dreams and desires that you want. So the common mistake most people do is they do not complete a vision board. They do not start out setting an intention on the things that they want, because if you are directionless, you will not know what to add to your vision board, because everything that you do has to be purpose driven. It should lead to something. It should have an end goal. So having a vision board with purpose and completing a vision board is the second mistake that most people do. I want you to avoid that. And the third is another mistake. It's a big mistake. They try to create a vision board that actually doesn't. They don't believe in, or they think that they cannot manifest it. Watch my other videos on vision board that I've created for you. Check it out. You will get some insights from it. So if you want to learn more in depth, check out the vision board mini course. It's going to help you a lot, because on YouTube you may find inspiration from other people how they've created a vision board. But if you get into the course, I will help you create a vision board that will help you manifest and achieve your big wildest dreams and touches the 5 different areas of your life that you must. You will also find bonus stories of people who have actually used vision board and achieved outrageous things. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop a like, it's free, and if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll be able to help you achieve your dreams and goals by starting out with having a vision board, because without a vision, people perish. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I answered the question that's most commonly asked. Does a vision board work? Yes, vision board works if you do it right. A vision board works if you complete the vision board and you have set up intention, and a vision board works if you actually believe in the things that you're doing and actually believe that manifest into reality, because everything starts with belief. So have a great day. Check out the course in the description below, and I'm sure you'll find a lot of value that is different from what other people are telling you. Bye. Take care for now.